What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the good people over at Tecno, they shot us over a pair of their Hypod H3s for us to take a look at right here on the channel. So that is what we're going to be doing in this video today. Now, I do got to say shouts out to them for always taking care of the channel, man, because you guys know that I appreciate any and everything we get right here on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you are into, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, you guys, so if you are in the market for a set of these headphones, you can find them right here on Amazon. I will throw a link up in the description, but the price is about $39, and it does have a $5 off coupon right here as well. Once again, these are the Hipods H3s. Just some quick extra information about them. They are Bluetooth 5.0. Says that it has advanced noise cancellation, touch controls. They give you a couple of extra sets of ear tips as well. Right here it says it is water resistant, ergonomic design. 3 different modes right here as far as active noise cancellation and environment noise cancellation and transparency mode. It says we can get about 200 songs, 400 milliamp hour battery capacity, and we can charge this thing up in about 1.5 hours. So with that, we'll go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the box, and then we'll just go from there. So taking a quick look at this box, nothing out of the ordinary, but I do like the way the presentation looks. Got the Tecno branding up there. We got a nice picture right here, Hipods H3. I'm loving this blue and white look. Just some cool little information right there on the back as well. Hipods on the side. You know, typical box, man, but I do like that blue and white branding on there, that color and all that. I like all of that, man. That looks pretty nice right there. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up right here. Once you open them up, first things first, got your manual on the top. I already took a look at this manual, but there's one thing I wanted to point out to you guys in this manual as well. Right here about the noise reduction modes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there on those noise reduction modes, it says press and hold the touch area for 2 seconds to enable the transparency mode, and the orange breathing light will come on. 2, you can press and hold the touch area for 2 more seconds, and that'll enable the noise reduction, and then you'll get an icy blue breathing light, and then 3 to basically turn it off. So that's how you actually work that as well. So don't forget to take a look at that manual if you need to. Next, you're going to have your USB-C cable right here. You're going to have your extra ear tips right here as well. Put those off to the side. And then last but not least, you're going to have your actual headphone themselves. I'm sorry, the earbuds themselves with a little plastic on them right here. Let's get this off real quick. And once you take that off, greet it with this. And this case is very, very shiny, so it will probably attract a lot of scratches. So be wary of that. You got your USB-C charging port right here in the back. Right there on the bottom, just some little information about charging and so forth. Tecno branding, real nice and shiny. Has a little bit of weight to it. Opening them up, this is what you get. This is what the headphones look like on the inside right there. And those bad boys is looking nice. Let's take these out real fast. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah, let's keep that open. That looks nice. Okay. So you got your little left and right earbud right here. They feel kind of heavy, got a little weight to them. Excuse my hand, man. My son was coloring earlier and I was playing with him, so excuse my hands. But they got a little bit of weight to them. I like the design, like the way they look. I like that little small Tecno branding that you get on each one of the little earbuds right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this little blue plastic to reveal that little charging area. Once you take that off, you should be good. Let me move this out the way. Should be good. So yeah, I like how they look. I think I'm gonna rock with the ear tips that we got on here. These are the left ones. Let me put them back and see what happens, because pairing these up should be pretty simple. Then you got a little indicator right here on the front as well. So yeah, opening and closing these, let's see if it closes by itself. So as you can see, if you hold them like that, they do close by themselves as far as the case, so just be wary of that. But they won't come out. I'm shaking that really, really hard, and they won't come out. But once you open them, you'll see like the little blue breathing light going around that lets you know that you can pair these up. So what I'll do, give me a hot minute, and I'm going to pair these up. I'm going to listen to them, and then we'll come back on a talking head shot. We'll get rid of this top-down shot, clean this table up, and then I will come back, and we'll go talk about how they sound. I'll give you guys a little bit more insight on what I think about these headphones overall, or these earbuds overall, all right? Be right back. All right, guys, so this is about a day later. Today now is Friday. It's about 2:55 p.m., and first and foremost, I gotta say that I like the sound quality of these. I just got to say that first before I say anything else. Sound quality on these are great. They have a little bit of bass to them, not heavy, but it's like medium to heavy bass, but it's kind of a perfect dose of bass throughout certain songs that I was listening to. Sound really clear, and I love the three modes. You know, you have the active, transparent. No, you have the active mode. Active mode is off, and then you have like a talk through mode, which is the mode I'm in now, so I can actually hear myself while I'm talking. The last song I was just listening to give you guys an example of some of the music, I was just listening to 2 Chainz and this Kanye West song right here. That was the last song that I was listening to for the past like hour. I've been sitting here at work. Well, I'm off now, but I was sitting here and I just had them in my ear, listening to music, seeing if I would get ear fatigue, and none of the above. The ear tips that came on them, I think they might have been, don't quote me, might have been the mediums, but the original ones that came on, I left them on, and I got a great seal, and everything is working fine. They sound amazing, guys. Listen, these sound good. It's just, you know, I run into some headphones that sound, well, some earbuds that sound good and stuff like that. And then I run into some that are just, you know, average, to where you listen to them and it's just, it is what it is. You're just getting good music out of them, and that is, you know, basically it, right? But for these, I just got to give them some credit. I don't know what they did to these, but I'm almost tempted to say, don't quote me though, but I'm almost tempted to say that I feel like out of all the techno buds that I've actually received, man, I almost feel like these sound better than all of them. But don't quote me, don't hold me to that. Please don't hold me to that, because I'm going to be doing some comparisons between these and a few of the other ones that I actually have on deck. So I'll be listening to those, and then I'll come back and do some comparisons. And if you guys want to see any other comparisons with some of these buds as well, go back, look through all the videos, see what buds that, you know, we actually got from Tecno, and let me know which ones you want me to pair these up against, in case you are on the fence about getting any pair of those buds from, you know, the past to right now. All right. But I can say that I like these. I do like the little pill case. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's really, really shiny, and it's going to, you know, acquire a lot of scratches when I drop it in my gym bag or whatever I'm doing with it. But other than that, man, they sound good. You know, I feel like they fit good and they look good. I like the, you know, the 3 different modes. I like the breathing light on the side. You know, so for right now, just to kind of get out of here real quick, I will say that I am tempted to see how these are going to sound against other earbuds. But for right now, I like these, and I think that if you were to pick these up, you will not be disappointed. All right. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay. See you guys in the next one. Peace.